In this video, I'll demonstrate how to use the drawing and measurement tools. The drawing and measurement tools add a markup to the map that can be exported as a shapefile and printed on a print map. Both of these tools are located in the Tasks tab, along with the Edit Drawings tool, which edits both the drawings and the measurements. To use the drawing tool, just click the tool to turn it on. Click this drop-down arrow to select the type of drawing, and begin clicking the map to add your drawings. To change, just click a new template. As long as this yellow bar at the top is on, it means you're in drawing mode, and your mouse will continue to make drawings when you click and drag. To turn the tool off, just click the tool, and you are back in normal mouse mode. From here, you can click the drawings, you can edit them, edit the style, choose a different color. You can also have a solid fill or just a hollow outline. And you can see that circle was changed. If you want to delete one of these, go into the Edit tool and select Erase, and click on the ones you want to erase. To add text, go into the text drawing mode, click the map where you want the text to go, and enter it in this text bar. I will enter "this is a duck pond," and click OK. Turn the drawing tool off to edit it. Click on it. From there, you can drag it around. You can change the style if you want to change the color or the size. Click Done. To do measurements, it works the same way as the drawing tool. Turn the tool on, select the mode of drawing you want to do, select the units of measurement, square feet, square yards. We'll do square feet. Enable snapping lets you choose layers that you'd want to snap to, like parcels would be a good one to snap to. That makes your measurements more precise, but we're going to leave it turned off. And to measure the sidewalk, I would just start clicking and click at every turn. When you are finished with your drawing, just double click, and this measurements table opens up automatically. And this displays each line segment of the drawing. If we were to add another drawing, this time a polygon, and we'll just do a very rough drawing around the pond here. Double click to close. And that polygon drawing was also added to this table. This shows you the perimeter, the area. It also gives the angle and bearing of each of the lines that make up the drawing. These tables can be exported to another format by clicking this Actions button. It can also be saved to a project if you are signed in using your city employee number. When you're done with the table, you can just close it. I'm going to zoom back out where I can see everything. If you turn the drawing tool or the measurement tool off, click on your measurement, you'll see the perimeter and area are displayed in the map tab. If you click and drag these nodes to change the shape and size, you'll see that those measurements are automatically updated. Once you're finished, you can close that out, and you'll see your new results in the table again. Once you're done and satisfied with your drawings, you can export to shapefile. The shapefile will contain a layer for points, lines, and polygons. The text will not be included in the shapefile. And of course, you can print all of this to a map, which will export all of the drawings that you can see on the map. Click print, wait for it to finish. This can take a couple moments. Click open file. And there you have your marked up map with points, lines, and measurement polygons.